Hi, Javi. Please recite Mark 12:30.
For God love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your mind, with all your soul, with all your strength. Beer.
Puro ka John 3:16 eh.
For God
How about John 3:16?
For God so loved the world that He gave His one and only Son, that whoever believes in Him shall not perish but have eternal life. Beer.
Dear, good job. Sige na, sleeping time. Say good night. Good
Bye.
night.
Bye.
Bye. Good night.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye bye.
Good night, not bye-bye. Good night.